Bella, 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 anak. Nag-order pa tayo ng ulam mo, okay? Okay, ayun o, yung ulam mo. Pili tayo ng ulam mo. Bella, Bella. Bye, Bella, Arbella. O, ipili lang tayo ulam mo, ha? Okay? Bibili lang ulam natin, ha? O, tingnan yung Bella namin, no? Bella is a golden retriever with a complete documents of the CCI. And she wants to eat dinuguan for her breakfast. For her breakfast, you see Bella. Bella, you know, your Katubiga boss Jerry is a pet lover, a dog lover. So I just want you to know that your Katubiga is a pet lover, dog lover. So I love dogs. I love pets. So we have 10 dogs in our house. You see our Bailey. Bailey is so kind. See, she's a 7 months old dog. Yes. Bella, it's already a Christmas. You see, here's Bella. Here's your food. The food of Bella. Yeah, that one. Yeah. Very good, Bella. Eat well, eat well, Bella. Lagyan mo yung tubig pa. Eat well. See my Bella. Okay, see. Our dog is a nice dog. She's a very friendly dog. When Katubiga boss Jerry goes out, she wants always with her daddy, boss Jerry. So I love Bella so much. It's my pet dog, our pet dog with Kagawad Marian. Eat well, Bella. That is your breakfast for today. And hear the Christmas song because it's already September. So viewers, family and friends, I just want to say happy greetings and wishing you a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. You see, my Bella. You see my Bella? Yeah, that one. Eat well, Bella. Eat well. So, thank you so much, my dear followers and friends. Please support me all the way, and please share this one if you love my video. So, good morning.